Hello, old and new subscribers. Do you have a smell coming from your garbage disposal? Well, I have a remedy for that. I am going to make it a special cocktail. You could use any type of, you can use bleach or any type of cleaner you want to use. Pour the ice down. Turn it on. And then you want to turn on your hot water and make sure you clean the blades good. And away the smell go, because sometimes food get caught on the blades, so you want to clean them. And don't forget to put a stopper down to cover your drain so you won't have those nasty gnats flying up and laying eggs in your plant. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I put it over my drains after the use of my sink. Usually every night, and I do so also in the bathroom. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to subscribe.